Hi everyone and welcome back to It's the Little Things with Becky. What a couple days. So I'm not sure when this video is going to be going up. It'll probably be going up after I talk about the whole storm situation that we experienced here in Iowa. But anyway, that's why I've been absent. But yeah, I'll talk more about the whole storm situation in the video, and I'll have that one go up before this one. So I'm not sure when you guys will see this, but I wanted to do a package opening I received a prize from a page that I follow on Facebook. We did a game and I ended up winning. But I just wanted to open it up with you and show you my prize and what I got. So anyway, we got a sucker lollipop, so that's good. We got, this big piece here. Sorry about that, I had a pop-up come up. I got another sucker here. So there's that as well. Okay, that was really nice of them. Just telling me congrats and hope we see lots of, or we hope you like it and can't wait to see lots of looks with it. So it is makeup related, of course. So if you guys are watching this, thank you, and I do appreciate it. So let me just get this open without ripping this paper here. Alright. It is definitely well protected. Oh, okay, I'm seeing stuff. Let me set that down here. Let me set that down here. So it's in some bubble wrap here, but I do see some earrings. There we go. This is definitely protected in bubble wrap. This was not going anywhere. Alright, the first thing I see is some earrings here. Those are cool. So there's those. Cool. Another pop-up. I don't know why I'm getting so many pop-ups today. I'm sorry about that, guys. The next thing I am seeing here, okay, this is from Nicole Miller, New York. It looks like a lip gloss, or maybe lipstick, maybe. But there's that. Let's try it out, because why not? Alright, so it's a type of lip gloss, which I do not mind at all. Kind of like almost a tinted lip gloss. That's cute. It's like a, it's like not full on nude, but it's like a little bit of a red tint to it, which I do not mind at all. That's cute. So there's that. And then one more thing in here I see is a, okay, this is a Too Faced Natural Matte Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. 3 steps, 3 looks, 3 minutes. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Let's open this up. I'm excited to see what this looks like. Ooh. I like Too Faced products. Obviously, this video is not sponsored, by the way, either. But, oh, okay. So this is what she looks like a little tin case. That's cute. Oh. That's pretty. Oh, wow. So it's obviously like neutrals, which is fine. Oh! A little card here, and you pop it off, and there's a mirror. That is adorable, guys. A couple of the names here is Strapless, Honey Butter, Chocolate Cookie, Risque, Sex Fresco, Cashmere Bunny, Heaven, Lace Teddy, Nudie, Fashion Classic, Day. Okay, cute. But that is a nice little travel. You can throw that in your purse. Use me in the camera there. That's cute. Let's look at this little letter that they gave us here. How to Glamour Guide. Okay. Oh! Oh! Okay. That's cool. And then I'll show you guys the other side here. I know I've been wanting the, I think it's like the natural matte or the nudes eyeshadow palette that my aunt has, and it's so cute, but I haven't got it yet. But this is cute too. Flaunt your natural beauty, or natural beauty, but natural. Ooh, this is so like a day look. This is like a classic look that they give you, and a fashion look too. So those are just some examples. We design our products and signature glamour guide to take the guesswork out of getting gorgeous. These 3 looks will get you started, but don't stop there. Once you master them, keep playing. It's fun to be a girl. That's cute. I like that. Ooh. And then there's something there in French that I can't read because I don't know French. I'm assuming that's French. Maybe that's Spanish. I'm not quite for sure what that language is, and I can't read it, but that's alright. I'm sure it probably says the same thing up top. Oh, and then it kind of shows you like how to do the day look on this side, the classic, and then the fashion look. That's adorable. I really like that. Thank you guys so much if you happen to be watching. I appreciate it, and I am so excited to get some looks started, or get some looks with these. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It helps me out a lot when you guys watch my videos. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you are all well and safe, and I will see you guys soon with another new video. Bye.